How to share FPL Mini League invite link. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Premier League application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now tap on the fantasy option you see there at the bottom, and now in this particular interface, scroll down to the Leagues and Cups tab. So go ahead and open the league from where you want to share your link with other players. And once you have opened your league, tap on the invite to league option on top of your screen and you will see various options to share your invite link to other players. You can simply copy this particular code and send it to your friends or other people in order to join the link, or you can also tap on the copy invite code option, and with this it will be copied to your clipboard automatically, or you can also tap on the share auto join link option you see there and then choose the individual whom you want to share the link, and with this your link for your league will be sent. So this was about how you can share FPL Mini League invite link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.